What's up, everybody? I'm Brett with Harry Wizard Gaming, and this is my personal workflow to take my clips from my stream and put them on social media and get the most out of them. I'm just going to show you the 2 minutes really quick. For this to work, all you'll actually need on your phone is the Twitch app, an editing software of your choice. I use Adobe Premiere Rush, but you can really use anything. I just use that because anybody that's part of our team has the Adobe Creative Cloud. I then go to the link clipper.xyz, link will be in the description below, and I make a shortcut on my home screen through my web browser on my phone. All right, let's go ahead and get to my phone recording so you could watch exactly how I do it step by step. So the first thing I do is open up my clipping folder that I made so everything's organized, and I open up Twitch. We're gonna use my channel. You can actually pull clips from anybody's. Make sure you get their permission to use it first. You're gonna go to their clips, scroll down. I accidentally hit this button, hit report. Please don't report me. That's not what you wanna do. You're gonna click share. You copied the link, you open up Clipper. Once you hit share, copy link, you open up Clipper, boom. You just copy the link right in there. Click get download link. It's gonna open up, click to download. Really easy. It downloads to your phone. You can just exit out of this completely, and then you're gonna back out and go to your editing software of choice. Again, I'm using Premiere Rush. Boom. Now here's the important part. Mine has changed since this video, but I already have something in here. As you can see, it's my thanks for watching end cap. The reason I have that is so I can just drop a clip in there and I don't have to worry about making a new one. That was on all my old clips. Now I have a different end cap that actually promotes my channel. I recommend you do the same. There's a lot of gameplay clips out there, and you kind of want to stand out. Speaking of standing out, I didn't mute that right away. Sorry about that. As you can see, I'm just editing the clip a little bit here. I want to make sure that I get the key part of the clip. I split it, and then I actually believe I zoom in this spot just so you can get a little bit of what's actually happening. Yep, that's exactly what I'm doing here. The reason being, you don't want it to just be another clip. Just this really quick edit, and all of a sudden my clip has a little bit more to it than the normal clip. Done. Give me the penta! Yes!
There you go. Wow.
Yeah, but I'm better than other people.
That is true.
I am a Twitch streamer, which makes me a professional. See? Watch this move. Professional. Gotta go. Here I 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 go. Just ready? Here we go. He's letting me line it up. He's letting me line it up. We're gonna go for it, boys. Aww. I won! Oh, no.
Yeah.
Get wrecked, kid. Here we go, baby. Here we go, baby. Here we go. Rode the ball there. That goal is pretty great, right?
There we go.
I'm here. I'm here for the D. Wait.
Don't take that out of
Wait a
context.
second.